Hi guys, it's me Tiana and I'm ambassador at Body Transformation #1 at group #1. So I will do my diary videos for every training of body transformation. So this one will be the first video and it will be about my first training of body transformation. So it took me 17 minutes to finish it. It was really hard. Turkish sit-ups were amazing. They are so hard. Burpees, I cannot explain. I did modification and this is only one modification I did. Also, we had a warm-up and this is really great. It really warmed me up and prepared me for the 3 routines of trainings. Then we had abs and now my abs are so sore. Then for the end we had stretching. Yesterday when I finished it, it was like, oh well, then I don't feel so sore, probably I won't feel any effects. But this morning when I had to go to my college and when I had to use stairs, it was oh, I cannot walk, so yeah, it was hard. I had rest day today because I had my fitness class, so I was sad. It wasn't like body transformation program. I probably didn't burn so many calories with the body transformation, so I cannot wait to do my body transformation #2. So until tomorrow, bye.